What's up, my mathletes? This is Musky coming at you, and in this video we're going to do a quick review before our coterminal angles quiz. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We're going to do two videos because we've got 4 problems. Now the first video we're going to take a look at is finding positive and negative coterminal angles for the given angle. Now what you need to know is when you do that in degrees, you're going to add or subtract. So yours is going to add or subtract 360 degrees when we're working in degrees, right? So that's going to be the main thing we're going to take a look at there. So if we take that negative 195, all right, and to that we add 360, then we end up with a sum of 165, and that value is positive. Cool. So that one works. So that would be a positive value. Now, if I wanted another positive value, I could add another 360 degrees. So plus another 360. So another positive coterminal angle to negative 195 would be 525. So our two coterminal angles that are positive, one is 165, and another one would be 525. I could keep adding 360 and come up with an infinite number of more positive values. Now, similarly, to find the negative coterminal angles, I'm going to subtract 360, so minus 360. So if you subtract those two together, then you're going to end up with a sum of negative 555. So that's one negative coterminal angle. Now, again, if I subtracted another 360, then I could end up with another value, which would be negative 915. And again, I could keep going all day long, just keep subtracting 360. So two positive values are 165 degrees and 525 degrees. Two negative values are negative 555 and negative 915. So that's how you do that with degrees. So hopefully we're good to go with that. Now, on the 11 pi over 15, this one's going to be a little bit different, right? Because here, what we've got to do is we're in radians. So 2 pi, because 360 degrees, right, is the same thing as 2 pi. But my denominator, so magic number here, is 15. So I got to double that. And that's going to give me 30 pi over 15. Because if you reduce that, you get down to the 2 pi. So we're going to do that same kind of process with 11 pi over 15. So we're going to take 11 pi over 15, and we're going to add to that 30 pi over 15. And that'll give me 41 pi over 15. So that's one positive coterminal angle with 11 pi over 15. Now, if I want to find another one, I could take that 41 pi over 15 and add to that another 30 pi over 15. And we would end up with our next one, which would be 71 pi over 15. You get the idea. So you keep adding 30 pi over 15. So two positive coterminal angles are 71 pi over 15 and 41 pi over 15. And notice the difference between 41 and 71. The difference between them is 30. All right, so that's just something to be aware of as well. Multiples of 30 pi. All right, cool. So now those were the two positive values. So now let's take a look at two negative values. So same thing, we would start out with 11 pi over 15, and we would subtract 30 pi over 15. And when you do that, you'll end up with negative 19 pi over 15. So that's one possible negative coterminal angle. You can find another one by just subtracting another 30 pi over 15. And you would be done. So when you subtract those two, you'll get negative 49 pi's over 15. So those are two possible negative coterminal angles to 11 pi over 15. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure you come on back because we're going to take a look at examples 3 and 4 to figure out if the angles are coterminal. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you guys soon. Peace out.